How to turn off emergency SOS only and fix SOS only on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the emergency SOS on your iPhone and fix that annoying SOS only messages that might be popping up. So let's get started. So first things first, you'll need to open up your settings and then scroll down, and here you'll find emergency SOS. Tap on it. Here you will find several options to manage how emergency SOS works. So first things first, you'll need to disable the call, withhold and release. So once you toggle it off, this will help you fix the annoying issues. This prevents accidental calls when you hold both the side and volume buttons together. Now you can see call with 5 button presses, toggle it off as well. This stops emergency calls from triggering when you press the side button more than 5 times. That's it. Now I'm pretty sure it will help you fix the issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.